welcome back to the channel. My name is Justin. This is Leah, and this is Chantal.
Welcome back to Eats and Treats with the Reese Girls. Today we're making banana bread. The measurements will be in the description box below. So let's get started.
So Leah's going to be mashing the bananas. So we have 4 bananas inside of this bowl.
What is this?
This is vanilla.
Ooh, yum.
Smells super good. So while she does that, I'm going to take a bowl and measure 1/3 of butter. And it has to be melted butter, so I'm going to do that. So, as I melt the butter, I'm going to prepare the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to measure them out. So, yeah.
Can I try?
Yeah.
So we finished mashing the bananas, so we added some butter in. So this is how it looks. You're just going to mix it with your wooden spatula, if you have one. You're just, you're just going to mix it with your spatula. So now Jasmine's going to pour the sugar in.
That looks like a lot of sugar.
Good job, Jasmine. You want to start mixing this in?
Sure.
So I'm going to put the baking soda measured.
Good job.
Are we going to put flour in it after this?
Yeah. Well, not after this, but we're going to put flour in it. I'm just going to take the pieces off the sides.
I mixed it good, very good.
Yeah, you did.
I can't see anything.
So guys, this is it with
It looks like a swamp.
This is how it is. So now Chantal and Jasmine are gonna. Well, Jasmine's gonna add in the baking powder. So
Baking powder.
I mean baking soda.
Baking
I am
soda.
so sorry. Just gonna stir that in.
I can put this in it too. It's little scorpions.
So I'm going to add in a pinch of salt.
They are drops.
Jasmine, are you excited to eat it soon when it's done?
Oh yeah.
So now we're going to add some vanilla. So it's going to smell super good. It's already smelling really good, but
Yeah.
the vanilla Oh no. No, we're going to use the tablespoon. And then, so I'm going to measure this over the bowl so it doesn't spill everywhere. Okay. Do you want to pour it, Dad?
Good job. Want to help mix it in?
Oh yeah. Looks kind of brownish.
Mm-hmm.
Sides come back in.
Good job.
I like cooking and learning how to. And I feel like I got a lot of learnings on like cooking, learning,
Mm-hmm.
those kind of fun stuff.
Make sure to check out all of our previous videos, and we also have a playlist to the Eats and Treats. So all the other episodes that we have made, you will be able to see in the playlist. The link for that will be in the description box below. So Chantal's just whisking the egg right now.
Yeah, I'm just beating it with a fork.
Okay, I think that's good.
So you know it's good when it's bubbly. So
And we're
Jasmine's
gonna
gonna
pour
pour
some
in the egg.
eggies.
Pour it out, yeah. Okay.
Pour the egg.
Good job.
Mix it in the eggies. This reminds me about eating eggs.
The last
Ingredient.
is flour. So, Ollie, are you ready for us to add it in?
Yep.
Okay. You ready? Okay, let's try to get all
It's
the
like
flour
a big lump.
out. Okay.
Can I try to mix?
Yep, Jocelyn's gonna do the first mixture of flour.
This is not even hard. Sorry. Nothing's hard.
In the meantime, I'm going to preheat the oven to 350.
Also, you could put some chocolate chips.
Yeah, you guys can put some chocolate chips or any other ingredient or something you want to add into it.
Oh, we have some chocolate chips. It's not a lot of chocolate chips, but enough to combine in here, so something.
We tried white ones and it didn't really go well. Probably. Yeah.
It tastes good, but it wasn't
Okay.
as good as the
Can we eat
milk
one?
chocolate.
Yeah.
Sure, I'll give you one. Okay, this is not coming out the package.
Guys, comment down below your favorite dessert.
Chocolate chips are super good.
So we're gonna put the rest in the banana bread.
Yeah, and you guys should also comment down below what
With the mint?
food ideas you want us to make for you guys. I'm still mixing this flour in.
Chocolate chips.
Oh, they're gonna add the chocolate chips in.
All of it?
Yeah.
No, where did the chocolate chips go?
So this is it with the chocolate chips. Now we're gonna mix it in. Okay.
Just fold it in lightly.
How come when
We
it-
don't want it to be too.
When it's hard, I keep on getting it.
Great job.
It's like I
Smells
never
super
get,
good, guys.
like, never spill it.
That's good.
You're professional.
I'm a professional in that. When I was 4, I couldn't even do anything. Everything was spilling and dripping and everything.
It's good that you learn now. Let's try to get the stuff from the bottom in too. You guys, make sure everything is in properly mixed in well.
It
You do
just
not
looks
want
like
any-
a big flop thing that flops side to side, side.
Yeah, you do not want any clumps of
I would
other
put
ingredients.
baking soda in it.
We already put some baking soda in there.
Oh,
So you guys don't have to add the chocolate chips in. It is optional. We just chose to add the chocolate chips in because it tastes super duper good like that.
and we put it inside here.
So while they do that, I'm gonna grease.
Grease this?
So you're gonna grease the pan with butter, and you put lightly some flour in it too.
I've finished greasing and I put flour in there so the banana bread does not stick. So now Aaliyah's gonna pour in the mixture so we completed the mixture.
So this is how it looks. And we're gonna pour it in.
Ooh, I'll hold it. Do you want to hold it and I'll pour?
Okay. Hold the container.
Yeah. Hold the bowl. Okay, so I'm putting the mixture inside the pan right now. It smells super good. So this is not our first time making banana bread. We make this a lot, pretty often.
It tastes super duper good, so if you haven't tried this before, you guys should.
Make sure to get everything from your bowl.
Also make sure to share this with your family, friends, neighbors. Just share it with anyone.
Okay, so Aaliyah, may you get a spoon?
Yeah. Oh, here? Oh, upstairs.
And keep it over here.
So the banana bread usually takes about an hour to cook, but you should put it for less than an hour, and then because everyone's oven is different, so just keep checking it to make sure it's not burnt and stuff. So we're gonna put ours for about 40-50 minutes.
We're gonna put it for 45 minutes.
Yeah.
And then when the banana bread is done with the 45 minutes, we're gonna use a toothpick, and on its highest point, we're gonna check it, and if it's wet, then you know it has to go back in for a couple more minutes, and then you'll keep checking until it comes out nice and fluffy and clean, and that's how you know it's complete. Okay, so practically everything's off.
So we're gonna put it in the oven. So the oven, as we said, is preheated to 350. Now we're gonna put the banana bread. now we're gonna put the banana bread in the oven. Can you open the oven, please? So as we said, we're putting this for 45 minutes. You guys can put yours for less if you want. So we'll be back then. I pressed the other one, but no.
So we're gonna check on this banana bread.
It's really big.
It looks really wet though, so yeah, it needs to go in for a couple more minutes. So this is what we were talking about when we said the toothpick test. You just poke it in the highest point and then see if it comes out wet like this, and that's to go in for a couple more minutes. And if it does not come out wet and it's clean, then your cheesecake, then your banana bread is complete.
So we're gonna put it back in. Do you think we should put it back in for 5 minutes or 10 minutes?
We can try at 5 first,
Okay.
because we don't want to put it for too much. So I'm gonna put that in for 5 minutes.
And then we'll check it again and see if it's ready.
So the banana bread has came out the oven. It's complete now. It went for an hour. We checked it at the 45 minutes and it was still wet, so we had to put it in for 15 more minutes. So it went for the complete hour. So I just put it on the cooling rack here. So it's able to, I'll just show you. I put it on the cooling rack, so then after it can cool much faster compared to being on the mat. So this is how it looks. So we're gonna leave it to cool, and then we'll show you the end result. So I'll be back then.
Now our banana bread has cooled. Jasmine is not here with us right now because she just finished her lunch, and after she was done her lunch, she went and took a nap. So she'll probably eat it after dinner. So this is the finished product. It looks really, really good. As you guys can see, it looks super good, especially with the chocolate chips.
It smells super delicious. Can't wait to try it.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now we're going to try this thing. Are you ready, Shazam?
Yes. So
Ready?
yes.
Cheers from the Reese girls. It tastes super duper good.
I recommend you try this recipe out. So good. See, the chocolate's getting everywhere.
Love you guys. Bye.
Bye.